If you're making over $200,000 and thinking about forming an S corporation for potential tax savings, here's an easiest way to calculate the tax savings. So essentially, you multiply 3.8% by the dividend portion of the net profit of your S corporation. That's a handful. So let me repeat. It's 3.8% multiplied by the dividend portion of the net profit of your S corporation. So the keywords here are 3.8% and dividend. So the 3.8% comes from Medicare taxes that you don't have to pay on the dividend. So let me just go over a simple example. Say that you are a nephrologist making $500,000 in 1099 income as an independent contractor. If you report the entire $500,000 as a sole prop, you would pay federal, state income tax, as well as FICA taxes on the entire $500,000. On the contrary, if you have an S corporation, you avoid paying Medicare taxes, which equal 3.8%, on the dividend portion of the $500,000. So let's go over the math, right? So first step is to break the $500,000 into salary and dividend. The salary is what you receive as a shareholder of the S corporation for providing nephrology services. And the dividend portion represents profit sharing from the S corp. So second step is to determine reasonable salary for the services that you provide to the S corporation. So how to determine the reasonable salary is another topic that I'll discuss separately. But let's say the reasonable salary is $200,000. So that means the remaining $300,000 would be dividend. So the tax savings from forming an S corporation is 3.8% times 300,000, which equal $11,400. So while there's $11,400 in tax savings, there are additional costs that you want to take into consideration, such as cost to hire attorney to draft the proper documents, and registration and filing fee, as well as state level entity fee, and cost to file annual S corporation tax return, and cost to run payroll and maintain bookkeeping. All of this costs money, right? So the last step is to compare the tax savings versus the annual S corporation maintenance costs and formation fee. So if you have a positive number, then you have a tax savings. Just to note that this is just one aspect of S corporation. You should certainly talk to your tax professional to weigh the pros and cons before forming an S corporation because it can get complicated in order to maintain it. Hope this helps. I'll see you next time.